Have you ever found yourself waiting and waiting for something you deeply desire? Maybe you're praying for a job, a spouse, healing, or relief from a problem that just won't go away. You keep making dua, you keep hoping, but it feels like nothing is happening. You start to wonder, why is Allah delaying my prayers? Why isn't He answering me? But remember, Allah always hears you, and His timing is always perfect. Think about the story of Prophet Joseph, peace be upon him. He was betrayed by his own brothers, thrown into a well, sold as a slave, and spent years in prison for a crime he didn't commit. All those years, he waited, holding on to hope and patience, not knowing when his suffering would end. But when Allah's timing finally came, He raised Yusuf to the highest position in Egypt, reunited him with his family, and gave him a happy ending that no one expected. The years of waiting were actually years of preparation for something far greater than he could imagine. Allah tells us in the Quran, "And be patient, for indeed, Allah does not allow the reward of those who do good to be lost." Sometimes, Allah's delay is not a denial, it is a test, a protection, or a way to give us something better. What you want may not be right for you right now, or Allah may be saving you from harm you cannot see. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "There is not a Muslim upon the earth who calls upon Allah with any supplication, except that Allah grants it to him, or he turns away from him the like of it in evil, as long as he does not supplicate for something sinful, or the severing of the ties of kinship." A man then asked, "What if we should increase in our supplication?" The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, replied, "With Allah is more." So remember, every time you make dua, Allah is listening. He might give you what you ask for, protect you from harm, or save your reward for the hereafter. Your prayer is never wasted. If you're in a period of waiting right now, don't lose hope. Keep making dua, keep trusting Allah, and know that He will never leave you empty-handed. When Allah delays, He's preparing you for something greater. One day you'll look back and see that the wait was actually a blessing, and Allah's plan was more beautiful than anything you could have dreamed. Trust in Allah, keep your faith strong, and believe that what's meant for you will always find its way.